Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about my current beauty favorites. Every time I do my makeup currently, these are the items that I've been reaching for, and these are the items that I use to take off my makeup currently too. So I hope you guys keep on watching and let's get into the video. So the first item is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and yes, I am so behind on the Born This Way bandwagon, but it is really good. It's a medium to full coverage and there's apparently really good benefits. I'm also in the shade light beige, so it's infused with coconut water and that helps to give your skin moisture. And then it also has alpine rose to help brighten and boost skin's radiance, which I need because I feel like I have really dull skin. And then it has hyaluronic acid, and that is to make your skin smoother and more youthful. So it has really good benefits and it looks really good. I have it on right now, and in my past videos, if I'm wearing a full face, this is what I have on. The next item, oh my gosh, I really love this. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It looks like this. It is so good, guys. Like, I have it on right now. Like, everything I'm like showing you other than the things to take off your makeup, I have on. So this is made with 50% water and it refreshes your skin. So right when you put it on, I do it with a damp beauty sponge, but you can also use it with a brush under your eyes. Well, I just do it under my eyes and a little bit on my T-zone. It makes my under eye so much smoother than it normally does with my normal Rimmel London powder. It just feels so cooling and refreshing when you put it on because it is made with water, so it just feels really good when you put it on. Honestly, that's the main reason why I like it, and the benefit is also because it makes my under eyes look really smooth and it blurs out my pores, and I just really enjoy putting this on. But the next item is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I have that on right now. I'm in the shade medium 22. Mine is a little bit neutral and I'm okay with that because sometimes I feel like when I do yellow tone or yellow undertone, it's like doesn't fit my skin tone. I feel like I am neutral, but then I'm like, no, I'm yellow tone because I don't want to look pink. But yeah, I have this in neutral and it just looks really nice under the eyes. It's not full coverage, I would say. It's medium full coverage. Next is the Morphe Setting Spray. I feel like it doesn't mattify, but it does like help lock everything in. But I really like this one because I'm gonna show y'all right now. I'm gonna spray it and you don't have to do this. You can just hold it down and it will spray evenly. So here you go. Did y'all see that? I don't know if y'all saw that. Yeah, I really like this, just the fact that it can go a long time without you having to do this motion. It's really an even spray, so I really like that. And sorry about my hair, I didn't move it while I was spraying that, which I should have. The next item is the Anastasia Blush Kit in Radiant. I think this might be holiday edition. I don't know if you can find it anymore. I actually got this one at TJ Maxx. Did I do it in my TJ Maxx video? I don't think so. It probably looks like I don't use it, but I really do. And my favorite color is the top right one. And sometimes I mix them, but this is my go-to, and this is what I'm wearing today too. I don't know if you can see my blush. You can probably see like my bronzer, but I kind of go light on blush because I feel like if I overdo it, I won't know, and then I'm just gonna look like a clown. So I was like, I should probably just do a little bit. So that is the makeup portion, and now we're gonna get into the makeup remover portion. And I love the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and it really does cleanse, but it also melts off your makeup. When I use this, I put a little water on my face, and then I'll grab some and then I'll put it all over my face to remove all of my makeup. And it really does remove all of your makeup, or like 99%. I don't really like the smell. If you like coconut, you probably like this smell. I don't know, like it kind of does smell like coconut oil. And I know you're probably like, Kathy, why did you spend this much money on the cleansing balm when you could just get coconut oil and it's cheaper and it works just the same? And you're right, but I hate coconut oil. I don't know, I hate anything coconut. I don't like the smell, I don't like the taste, I just don't like it. And this kind of does feel the same, but I think I'm just biased. But I do really like this because it does such a good job on removing my makeup. And once I go in with a makeup wipe, after I like rinse everything off, there's just a little bit of makeup left, barely any on the makeup wipe. This thing does the job. Okay, next is the Kirkland Daily Facial Towelettes for all skin types, and it's paraben free, and this thing is so good. You can only get these at Costco, sadly, so if you don't have a Costco membership, then you can't get these. But these are really good. These are my current favorites because they come in a big box, which I don't have with me right now, but the big box comes with 150 towelettes, and these packages are like, I don't know how many they have in there, maybe like 5. It takes off your makeup pretty well. It's like not as good as the Neutrogena, the purple one, the nighttime one, I think, and that one's my all-time favorite. But these are way better than any other makeup removers that I know of, because I've tried Simple, I've tried L'Oreal, I've tried Garnier, I've tried almost every makeup towelette you could think of because I'm trying to ball on a budget, and the Neutrogena ones aren't that cheap, but these are really good. And for the 150 box, the price for it is really good too. But yeah, this is so good, and that was it. Those are all my favorites. I hope that you try these items because these are really good and I do recommend them. But yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.